Now looking at number 129, and it's called technique tracks. And that's really just because it's applying a lot of the concepts that we've worked on so far going above the break. So you'll notice it uses uses all the notes that we've learned so far. It has a dotted quarter note rhythm. It has both F sharps and F naturals. So what we're actually going to do first is clap and count through this, because oftentimes dotted quarter notes can trip us up, and we never want to go into something unsure about the rhythm. We want to make sure we have the rhythm down at least, and then we can start focusing on notes, and then we're going to have the best chance for success. Here we go, clapping and counting, number 129. 1 and 2, and ready, and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and breathe. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And that last note has, again, that courtesy accidental in front of the F to remind us that it's only F natural. So don't get tripped up from those accidentals versus what the key signature tells us, because the key signature is just one flat, which is always, of course, going to be B flat, which means that all of our Fs are natural unless specifically noted otherwise. So let's go ahead and air and finger through this. Air and finger through this. 1, 2, ready, F natural. F sharp. F natural. Okay, that was number 129, airing and fingering. If you feel comfortable with all these fingerings, it's okay. If not, we just learned a lot of these notes. Slow it down and work on them again. If not, let's try and play 129. If you're ready, 1, 2, F natural. And that's number 129. I do want to talk briefly about that slur there at the end. You heard me do it, guilty as charged. I had to lift 2 fingers between the C and the E, and because I didn't lift them exactly together, you got this sort of thing. A little bit better, but not quite clean. So if I were really going to dig into this, I would slow down those 2 measures, isolate those 2 notes, and just practice back and forth. It's a little bit better, but definitely not there. But yeah, figured I'd throw that in since I did it. I want to model the right thing for you guys. Okay, moving on to 130.